those are some of the things that we've been working on. No staffer who was in the former system will lose what was due to them. All that has been captured properly. They will continue to enjoy, but they will be evaluated and appraised now under the new system. So they are not losing their benefits. Yeah. There's been performance contracting even in the judiciary and in the mainstream public health service in the executive. You know, the head of the executive is the president. He too is elected on a 5-year term. Would we say that that's the reason why there was performance contracting in the public service? We know the Chief Justice is appointed for a maximum of 10 years. Can we say that that's why there was performance contract in the judiciary? No. So it's just a management tool which we feel, and as a commission, we felt that would be the best to ensure that we give our members the very best, and we give the Kenyan public who consume our services the very best. Remember, we have various departments. Like we have a very, very robust parliamentary budget office here.